while our sophisticated home coffee setups, complete with grinders, espresso machines, and pour-over brewers, provide us with an exquisite brewing experience. These tools aren't exactly compatible with outdoor adventures. When venturing into the wilderness, a different brewing approach is required, one that is both portable, durable, and capable of producing a satisfying cup of coffee amidst nature's embrace. Our quest to uncover the best camping coffee makers led us on a meticulous investigation, prioritizing portability, durability, and brewing convenience without compromising taste. We delved into the world of outdoor coffee brewing, exploring a wide range of models and meticulously evaluating their performance. Our examination focused on several key aspects, including ease of use, cleaning, and temperature control. We scrutinized the process of filling the water tank and brew basket, ensuring that it could be accomplished seamlessly even in the wilderness. Similarly, we assessed the cleaning process, ensuring that the carafe and filter could be effectively cleaned without access to sophisticated tools. Temperature control was another crucial factor in our evaluation. We recorded temperature readings throughout the brewing process, including during the keep warm cycle, ensuring that the coffee maintained its optimal temperature for a pleasurable drinking experience. Through our rigorous evaluation process, we have compiled a selection of the finest camping coffee makers on the market. Each model has demonstrated exceptional performance in terms of portability, durability, brewing convenience, and, most importantly, flavor. Whether you're an avid backpacker, a casual camper, or simply an outdoor enthusiast seeking a satisfying cup of coffee amidst nature, our recommendations are sure to elevate your outdoor coffee brewing experience. Here goes our top 5 finest outdoor camping coffee makers. All product links are in the description below. 1. Primula Coffee Brew Buddy. The Primula Coffee Brew Buddy is a lightweight and affordable pour-over coffee maker designed for effortless brewing on the go. Its minimalist construction features a single mesh filter held in place by a plastic ring, making it exceptionally portable and easy to clean. Simply rinse the mesh filter after each use to eliminate the need for paper filters. The pros of the Primula include: its lightweight and compact design allows for convenient carrying and minimal backpack space. The mesh filter eliminates the need for disposable paper filters, saving money and reducing environmental impact. Its user-friendly design makes brewing straightforward, even for novice campers. Its affordability makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious adventurers. And the cons include: the coffee produced may not have the same clean taste as coffee brewed with other pour-over methods. A separate heat source is required to provide hot water for brewing. The coffee may continue to steep if the cup is not tall enough, potentially resulting in over-extraction and a bitter taste. 2. Farberware Classic Yosemite Coffee Percolator. The Farberware Classic Yosemite Coffee Percolator is a durable and reliable stainless steel percolator ideal for brewing coffee for groups while camping. Its classic design and large capacity make it a popular choice for outdoor gathering, ensuring everyone gets their caffeine fix. The pros are: its large capacity allows for brewing enough coffee for a group of friends or family. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and the ability to withstand the rigors of camping. Its classic design adds a touch of nostalgia and familiarity to any campsite. While the cons include: the percolator method of brewing can produce coffee that is less full-bodied and flavorful compared to other methods. The brewing process is relatively slow, requiring more time to prepare your coffee. A heat source such as a camp stove is required for operation. 3. OXO Brew Venture Shatter-Resistant Travel French Press. The OXO Brew Venture Shatter-Resistant Travel French Press is a robust and portable French press designed for travel and camping. Its shatter-resistant Triton carafe and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite coffee wherever your adventures take you. The positives are: its shatter-resistant Triton carafe provides durability and prevents breakage during travel or in rugged environments. The plunger with a silicone gasket ensures smooth filtration and effectively removes coffee grounds. Its two-piece design facilitates easy disassembly for thorough cleaning. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it convenient to carry on camping trips. The limitations are: the plunger may require some effort to press down fully, especially when dealing with finely ground coffee beans. The glass carafe option, while more aesthetically pleasing, is more fragile and susceptible to breakage. 4. GSI Outdoors Ultralight Java Drip. The GSI Outdoors Ultralight Java Drip is an ultra-lightweight and collapsible pour-over coffee maker designed for hiking, backpacking, and other excursions where space is at a premium. Its minimalist design and efficient function make it a favorite among outdoor adventurers, ensuring you can enjoy a fresh cup of coffee without sacrificing backpack space. The pros of the product include: its ultra-lightweight and collapsible design makes it incredibly portable and takes up minimal space in your backpack. Its simple operation allows for easy and mess-free coffee brewing in the wilderness. The single mesh filter can be rinsed out for repeated use, reducing waste and saving money. And the cons include: the coffee produced may not have the same rich flavor as coffee brewed with other pour-over methods. A separate heat source is required to provide hot water for brewing. The coffee may continue to steep if the cup is not tall enough, potentially resulting in over-extraction and a bitter taste. 5. Bialetti Moka Express. The Bialetti Moka Express is a classic stovetop espresso maker that produces strong and flavorful espresso-like coffee with minimal effort. Its iconic design and durable construction have made it a favorite among coffee enthusiasts for decades, proving its versatility for both home and outdoor brewing. This model brews 3 cups at a time, but the Moka Express goes up to 12 cups in size. The pros of the coffee maker include: it brews rich and flavorful espresso-like coffee that is perfect for kickstarting your day in the outdoors. Its relatively lightweight and compact design makes it portable enough for camping trips. It eliminates the need for paper filters, reducing waste and saving money. Its durable aluminum construction ensures longevity and withstands regular use. And the cons are: it requires careful attention to brewing time to prevent scorching and bitterness. The multiple parts involved may require more effort to clean compared to simpler options out there.